Welcome to our Reviews Value Realization series. In this video, we'll explore Yotpo's Insights. My name is Oren, and I'm leading the Reviews Professional Services and Customer Success teams, and I will guide you through this video. I'm excited to introduce you to Yotpo Insights. Customers' reviews are more than just testimonials. They are rich data that can drive smarter business decisions, optimize your product offering, and deepen customer relationships. Let's explore on how Yotpo Insights transform feedback into actionable intelligence. Yotpo Insights is seamlessly integrated into your dashboard, giving you access to two powerful views. Topics dashboard, discover recurring themes in customer feedback like common praise or pain points. Product dashboard, drill down into reviews for specific items to identify trends that can influence product development or marketing. What is the main value? The real value of Yotpo Insights lies in its ability to help brands make smarter decisions and faster. By analyzing customer sentiment and behavior, you can optimize product performance, refine marketing strategies, and improve the overall shopping experience. Brands that use insights see measurable results, including reduced returns, better product development, and higher customer retention. Let's break down the key benefits of Yotpo Insights. Data-driven decisions. Gain actionable insights to improve customer experience, measure performance, and benchmark against the industry. Enhance product development. Refine offering based on real customer feedback. Improved marketing. Create tailored campaigns that resonate with your audience. Scalable feedback analysis. Utilize advanced NLP and deep learning to turn customer feedback into actionable insights with 20% higher accuracy. The key capabilities include grouping similar terms into single topics, context-based typo handling, measuring sentiment intensity and polarity, praising multiple opinions in single reviews, continuous improvements via new reviews data, and seamless integration automatically integrates with your reviews. Let's see how Acai Outdoor, a women's first outdoor brand, used Yotpo Insights to drive success. What was the challenge? Acai had loyal customers, but needed to build trust through reviews to drive conversions. Their key challenges were turning feedback into actionable insights to refine products, and also scaling community engagement while keeping a personalized, customer-first approach. The solution was using Yotpo Insights dashboards. Acai turned feedback into impactful action, and this is how. Product refinement and innovation. Customer feedback revealed a desire for a longer version of their popular trek shorts. By acting on this feedback and launching a mid-length version, Acai turned this product into their best-selling items, driving significant revenue growth. Insights also helped to address a fit issue with their outdoor softshell leggings. After redesigning the waistband based on the feedback, Acai reduced the return and exchange rate and enhanced the overall shopping experience. Community-driven design. Feedback from Yotpo Insights on color preferences and product usage was shared directly with their design teams, informing product development decisions that resonated with their audience. What was the result? Acai partnership with Yotpo drove incredible business outcomes, a 76% year-over-year sales increase, showcasing their ability to turn insights into revenue. A 15% reduction in returns, thanks to fit improvements driven by the customer feedback. Here is what the brand had to say about Yotpo roles in their growth. We received a lot of customer feedback from the Insights tool saying that customers would love a longer version of our trek shorts. So we created a product with a new length. And now they are the best-selling shorts. By leveraging Yotpo Insights, Acai Outdoor didn't just grow the revenue. They fostered a deeper trust and loyalty with their community, proving that listening to customers is not just the right thing to do, it's good for business. Yotpo Insights is available for Pro, Premium, and Enterprise packages across all platforms, and currently support English languages reviews. It's important to note that the feature works best when you have a steady stream of reviews. Making a steady reviews collection is a key strategy for success. To recap what we discussed, from a business perspective, Yotpo Insights help brands turn customer feedback into actionable insights, improving product development, marketing, and customer retention. When it comes to the how, With using advanced NLP and deep learning, Yotpo analyzes reviews for sentiment and key themes, offering two dashboards: topic dashboards, identified recurrent feedback, product dashboards to refine product based on reviews. The result? Acai Outdoors achieved 76% year-over-year sales growth and 15% reduction in returns. Thank you so much for joining us today, and I can't wait to see you again in the next one. Thank you.